In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix Print Spooler not running after Windows 11 update. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So first things first, navigate to the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'll be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc and click on the OK button to proceed. Here at the services, you need to find for Print Spooler. So select any of the service here, type P in your keyboard so that you would be navigated to the service which has an initial for letter P. There you can see Print Spooler. Make a right click, go with Properties, and under the Properties window, find for Recovery, click on it. And here, you need to proceed to Reset Fail Count After and set it into 1 day. And then Restart Service After, set it into 1 minute. Once done, click on Apply and then click on OK and then close the window. Once you've closed that, you need to open your File Explorer. You can use your keyboard, press Windows key and E key together. In that way, you'll be able to open this. Navigate to the left pane, find for this PC, and proceed to your C drive or local disk. Once you are here, you need to proceed to Windows, double tap, and under the windows, you need to locate for System 32. So by that, you need to scroll down and locate for it. Once you have seen it, you need to tap it again. And under the System 32, you need to find for spool. So use your down arrow key to locate for it. So once you have find the spool, you need to double tap again. And there you can see printers, double tapped. And here you need to make sure that this folder is empty. So if you have any data being placed here, delete it. Select the whole by pressing Ctrl A or drag your cursor to select it and click on this trash bin icon or Shift to delete in your keyboard. In that way, you'll be able to delete it. Once done, close the window and then you need to proceed to the last solution. So before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay, so finally, press Windows key and R key again and type for services and .msc for the last time and click on OK button. Once done, you need to select any again for the service. Type P in your keyboard and find for Print Spooler. Once done, make a right click and click on Properties. So here, proceed to Startup type. Click on this down arrow key, set it into automatic and start the service to ensure the service status is running. Once done, you need to set for recovery. Navigate here and please set it into normal, back into normal. So proceed to 0 day rather and 0 minute. Once you're good, click on apply and then click on OK and then close the window and you're good to go. Okay. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.